10 Things You Can Flip for Profit in Small Towns, 2026 edition. What if I told you that your sleepy little town, yeah, the one with the Dollar General, 2 gas stations and 1 questionable Mexican restaurant, is sitting on a gold mine? No, not oil, not buried treasure. I'm talking about small town flips, everyday items hiding massive profit potential if you just know where to look. While everyone else is chasing viral side hustles online, you could be flipping local goods for hundreds, even thousands, in profit, without ever leaving your zip code. Today, we're diving into 10 things you can flip for profit in small towns, and trust me, some of these are so rare and overlooked, you'll wonder how no one's thought of them before. Ready to turn barn dust into dollars? Let's get started. 1. Old farm equipment, the rusty gold rush. You've seen it 100 times, an old plow, tractor seat or hay rake rusting away in someone's field. What most folks don't know is that this junk has a booming market with collectors, interior designers, and even breweries who love that rustic industrial vibe. That busted Massey Ferguson part might go for $400 online to the right buyer. Antique tractor wheels turned into tables, $250 easy. Profit potential, $2,000 per flip. The secret? Look for metal authenticity, cast iron or early steel. Avoid the reproductions, and if you can clean and repaint them, your profits double. Now here's a small town secret most folks overlook. When an old church closes, they often sell or even give away their furniture and fixtures. Those heavy oak pews, people pay big money for them to use in restaurants, photo studios, and entryways. Stained glass windows can go for thousands, especially the colorful handcrafted ones from early 1900s churches. Profit potential, $303,000 per piece. Your job? Find the church before the demolition company does. Offer to remove the items yourself, and you'll save them labor, and score serious profit potential. Okay, sounds creepy, but stay with me. Many old cemeteries and estates replace or remove decorative iron fencing that's been up for a century. When they contract it out, that material often gets scrapped. If you can legally acquire it, always ask the property owner or local city department. Antique fencing and gate sections are a hot commodity for garden designers and antique shops. Profit potential, $505,000 depending on design and length. It's history in metal form, and the right buyer will pay dearly for it. Old signs are big business. The kind that once hung outside your local diner, gas station, or feed store are now prized collectibles. Even modern retro-style signs get resold for profit if they have the right look. You can often find them in storage sheds, thrift shops, or at estate auctions where nobody knows what they're worth. Profit potential, $2,500 per sign. Bonus tip, local Facebook groups and flea markets are gold mines. Find those signs before resellers from the city swoop in. When small-town schools get renovated or closed, all those heavy slate chalkboards, oak doors, and vintage lockers become free or dirt cheap to whoever can haul them off. People love that retro classroom aesthetic. It's a trend in cafes, home offices, and decor stores. Profit potential, $151,000 per item. With a pickup truck, a few tools, and some muscle, you could flip an old classroom's worth of materials into several grand in profit. This one's a legend. But here's the twist. Stop focusing on the barns everyone knows about and start hunting for small, forgotten outbuildings behind older homes. Homeowners will often let you remove the wood for free just to get it off their property. Reclaimed barn wood sells for a premium because each board tells a story. Hand-sawn marks, weathered color, and old nail holes are all part of its charm. Profit potential, $500 to $10,000 per barn depending on size and wood quality. Mill it down, clean it up, and sell it to furniture makers, home builders, and boutique decorators. Yes, even those half-rotten campers sitting in someone's backyard can turn into cash machines. Small towns are full of them. Old Shastas, Airstreams, and Scotties that people plan to fix up someday. If you can tow it and clean it, you can flip it. People pay $3,000, $20,000 for restored vintage campers. Even if you just clean, repaint, and stage one for photos, you can triple your investment. Profit potential, $1,000, $15,000 per flip. And get this, some people buy them just for photo rentals, not even to camp.
Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too.
This one's unusual, but incredibly profitable if you do it ethically. Old cemeteries sometimes replace damaged or illegible gravestones with new ones, leaving behind the originals. With permission, those stones can be repurposed into garden benches, memorial art, or historical displays. The market for authentic carved stone is massive, especially in art and landscaping circles. Profit potential: $500, $3,000 depending on condition and material. You're not disturbing graves, just giving discarded history a second life. You'd be amazed how many old feed stores, co-ops, and supply shops have back rooms filled with dead inventory, items that haven't sold in years, but still have niche demand. Think old seed bags, enamel signs, and antique packaging. That retro branding is gold online. Profit potential: $100, $4,000 per haul. Offer to clean out their storage area for free and you'll get inventory that resells like crazy on eBay and Etsy. Small-town marching bands, schools and churches often have old instruments collecting dust. Saxophones, trumpets, organs, even tambourines. Vintage instruments are a booming market, especially for collectors and restorers. And it's not just about big cities. Musicians all over the world crave those old tones and craftsmanship that new models can't replicate. Profit potential: $207,000 depending on rarity and condition. Look for brand names like Kahn, Selmer, or Buescher. Then Polish photograph and post them online. Here's the hidden gem of them all. Sometimes the best flip isn't an item, it's a business name. Old family businesses close all the time, leaving behind a logo, name, and reputation that people still remember. Buy that dormant business name, modernize it, and relaunch it online. You can use the nostalgia to your advantage and instantly build trust in your market. Profit potential: unlimited. You're flipping legacy itself. The truth is, opportunity hides in plain sight, especially in small towns. Where others see old stuff, you should see untapped value. You're surrounded by potential flips that connect nostalgia with modern design, history with innovation, and effort with profit. You don't need millions of followers, a fancy storefront, or city connections. You just need hustle, creativity, and the guts to act before anyone else does. So next time you pass that dusty barn, rusty fence, or old church pew, remember this video. Because small towns don't mean small profits, they mean hidden profits. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.